Hello everyone, this is Abdelazim Quraitum. I'm gonna start a new playlist. I will explain how the block work and how to use it on your daily work and your tasks, starting from scratch. Uh, Actually, I was planning to make this just a single video, but it took me more than 2 hours just to cover 4 points of my points. So then I decided to make it a playlist, and I will separate each point in a video, and I will make sure that I cover all you need to know about Block to be a better developer, a better Flutter developer, and use Block with confidence, inshallah. Just I want to take a small overview about the playlist. I will talk about the block pattern in depth and how does it work and what is the relation between block and qubit and how the qubit is a kind of a part of block. Also, I will talk about the qubit implementation, then the block listener and block builder in Flutter, which are related to the Flutter block, the widgets that come with Flutter block package that listen to the block changes and events. Also, I will talk about how to create a state. We have two options, mainly two common options, the enum and the class. I will talk about both of them and the advantages and disadvantages about each other. Uh, don't put your data inside the qubit or block because it's immutable. One of the common mistake that breaking the concepts of the immutability and how the block built above the MVI and how all, this architecture is trying to implement the function programming and the UI level. I will talk about the MVI itself and how does it work and how it's started from the Android, then moved to here in Flutter in block pattern. Where to create your blocks, where you should put them in the material or inside the page itself or above the page before navigating, and how that will affect your test. Also, I will talk about how can you access your blocks from everywhere inside your widget tree. Maybe your block is not in this leaf of the widget tree, or this block is created inside another page, so you don't have an access to it using the normal context. And also I will talk about why we shouldn't pass the context outside the UI, and why we have to keep the context inside the page itself. I will talk about how we use it in your structure inside your project, how you should separate your blocks and qubits inside your project. I found a lot of developers doing that they are splitting or creating a qubit for each API they found from the back end. So it's kind of heavy process. To be honest, a lot of streams for each APIs and how those all blocks will talk with each other, and how we will talk if there's multiple APIs that within the same feature. It will be a mess and a chaos after doing these mistakes. So we will talk about that also. I will talk also about some tips and how to implement your qubit and block with your widgets, and how you split your widgets and other stuff like that. Okay, that's it. I hope you will enjoy this playlist. Stay tuned and goodbye.